Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into your Apple ID and confirming two-factor access so you can change payment settings without interruption. Once signed in, open Settings, tap your name, then Payment and Shipping. This is where you will remove or edit billing methods. Make sure the App Store region matches your current country, because region mismatch prevents a none option. Also, check for active subscriptions or unpaid balances now, since those block removing payment methods. You now remove the payment method. Tap Edit in Payment and Shipping and delete cards, then select None if it appears. If none is not offered, redeem an App Store gift card or add Apple ID credit. Once credit exists, the store won't prompt for a card for free apps. Also, make sure to cancel or move any family subscriptions and clear unpaid balances, because those conditions force a billing method to remain attached to your account. Finish by restarting your device and signing out of the App Store, then signing back in. This refresh ensures the store recognizes payment changes. Once done, try downloading a free app to confirm the billing prompt is gone. If you still see a payment request, make sure there are no active subscriptions, unpaid balances, or regional settings blocking none. If everything looks correct but the issue persists, contact Apple support for account-level.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.